morning, everybody. It's Halloween day and it's been raining and getting ready to feed this morning. But it's 60 degrees, which is a kind of a treat compared to what we've been having of a morning. So let's go feed. The chickens are ready for their breakfast. Okay, so I admit, today I took the lazy way of feeding the chickens, but that's because we got a lot of rain, and this is what I would have had to walked in with my special boot. And I decided, no, this one time, I'm not going in. So I poured it through there, and they're still happy. I may have to give them some extra food later or something. Then we got Ginger here. She follows me of a morning. Check stuff out. Don't you, Ginger? Don't you? Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Yeah. Yeah. Gotta check everything out.
So this morning, me and Philip are going to be hanging up a tarp on the doorway on the bunny barn. Got 2 tarps, one for each door.
Here we are, we're going to feed rabbits. We need more rabbit food. So the rabbits look hungry. They're all standing at me at the fence like I'm the man of the hour.
Look at them attack right here.
I know. They do that every morning. They'll line up. And then when I get closer, they all go right through their little feeding box.
When we feed the rabbits, we give the goats and the sheep a little treat. We give them some rabbit pellets, and they just love it. You can see that they are waiting for it right now. Here you go, guys. This little fella had some fall on his head.
Morning, girls. There you go. So I'm afraid these 2 calves, we're not going to be able to keep them for breeding. I just don't think they're going to get that big. Especially Violet. She's like half the size of Cinnamon over here. And I think Cinnamon ought to be bigger. Of course, I ain't never had jerseys before, but maybe they are supposed to be smaller. But they're half Angus, so you think they'd be a little bit bigger than what they are.
We don't have the little house all the way finished, but it's still, we've got it to enough to where the kids can come in, have their snacks. I got a little TV that's got a DVD player so that they can have some of that. Are your snacks good, kids? Okay, well, have fun. On my way out to feed, I noticed my barrel here is still producing a little bit of lettuce. A lot of the other plants have died, but I do have a little bit of lettuce still coming on. It's kind of cool.
So we have this big tree that is blocking the sunlight from the garden. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that down today. So hopefully the garden will get a lot more sunlight next year.
Well, we still still need to get busy and do a little more cleaning here where we had some trees taken down. Phil Sr., he worked a little bit on it, but the boys are going to have to get down here and clean it so we can have our yard back. Everything's a little wet right now, so probably have to wait for it to dry up before we can like run the wood chipper and that type of thing.
We decided we're going to make a little chip container of sorts to take care of all that wood that we can't turn into firewood, basically. There's a whole lot of it that we're just going to chip up. So as you can tell, I've already kind of started this morning. We're going to put this steel sheeting up, get it supported, and then I'm going to take these chips and kind of push them a little further back so that way they can help hold up stuff for the time being. And hopefully we'll have a nice big pile of mulch that we can put in with the chickens over there, or if we choose, we can put some in the garden for a little extra compost. But yeah, we'll see what we can do with it. All right, I got a barrier put up. I don't know if it's gonna stay like this. Probably not. We'll probably change it up again or do something different, but right now it's working pretty good. I got all the chips pushed back and everything. I just used an old piece of tin for roofs and some electric fencing post for like cloth electricity, you know, portable fencing. But anyways, it's just there to keep the wood chips from flying everywhere, and it keeps it centralized so that way we can use it a little better.
So I had to reload the tire swing a different location because we took the tree down that it was on originally. But we got the slide here and everything, the little stump slide, so it's a better location for it anyhow. Is that fun, buddy? Yeah. So the rain has stopped, the sun's come out, and it's starting to dry up a little bit. Today we're going to be cutting limbs and making mulch.
So we bought this handy dandy little device. We have not used it yet, but it's supposed to help us to make little pieces of firewood. Kindling. Let's face it, we're too old to be chopping wood, you know, and splitting it that way. So we're going to try this device. It says to do it at an angle and take little pieces off.
Worked great.
Uh-oh, it unscrewed it.
We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. please like and subscribe.